Hello and welcome to Sessions and Associates. We are masters in mortgages and mindset. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm excited to reintroduce my company to you as we are dedicated to providing exceptional mortgage solutions and financial empowerment. Since our establishment in October 2017, we have been passionately serving clients by offering you services like Business Development Group, BDG, and Lessons in Financial Empowerment, L.I.F.E podcast with WCSU-FM. As of January 2023, Sessions and Associates has evolved and added Sessions Lending Group as an independent mortgage broker. My licensing is held at People's Mortgage Lending, a reputable mortgage banker based in Westchester, Ohio. As a past client, referral partner, or future client, you hold a special place in my business. That is why we are thrilled to present you with a range of value-add benefits when partnering with us. Number one, a free home value estimator using home canary market value and rental value, providing accurate insights. Number two, conditional approvals for well-qualified borrowers for 1 day, same day. Number three, closings in as little as 10 days with appraisal waivers for qualified applicants, saving time and effort. Number four, marketing support, including property sites, flyers, marketing data, and more, enhancing your outreach. Number five, soft credit checks, a service designed to protect your clients from unwanted credit trigger solicitations. Number six, virtual closes, allowing your clients to close anywhere, anytime, even on Saturdays. Dockless, which is a hassle-free process that eliminates the need for pay stubs and bank statements. Number eight, preferred processor network, ensuring efficient and smooth collaboration. At Sessions Lending Group, we take pride in offering a wide range of loan products to cater to your specific needs. Here are some of the loans we provide. Conventional loans to both Fannie and Freddie Mac guidelines with low down payments as low as 1%. FHA loans with credit scores as low as 550, providing access to home ownership. Bank statement loans for self-employed borrowers up to $3 million with loan to values up to 90% with no MI. USDA loans offering rural borrowers a chance with a zero down payment option. Jumbo loans, these are loans exceeding the conforming limits to meet unique financing needs. VA loans providing 100% financing and support for our esteemed veterans. A one-time close new construction product, simplifying the process for home builders. A DSCR investment loan, enhancing investors to purchase properties without providing income through bank statements or tax returns. Also offering standalone and piggyback home equity lines of credit, allowing homeowners to leverage their home's equity. Commercial loans for 5+ units, apartment buildings, mixed-use properties, offices, and retail spaces. Short-term rental loans, investments for properties like Airbnb, accommodating a growing short-term rental market. Fix and flip rehab loans, a 12-month interest-only loan covering acquisition, renovation, lending up to 80% of the purchase price. Bridge loan, providing leverage to investors with cash to acquire cash-flowing properties. 1099 loans for purchase or refinance based on 1 or 2 year 1099 statements. Profit and loss loans, right? Evaluating the strength of a business, P&L statements can be used for the loan. We can also connect you with a licensed CPA, enrolled tax agent, or licensed tax preparer for your situation. To offer the best mortgage solutions, we have partnered with reputable residential and commercial lending institutions, including People's Mortgage Lending, American Financial Resources, Angel Oak, Nations Direct, PRMG, United Wholesale Mortgage, Mutual of Omaha, Rock Financial, and Loan Guys. Finally, at Sessions Lending, we value and trust you place your clients in the hands of us, and we strive to exceed your expectations every step of the way. Whether you're a past client, referral partner, or prospect, we are committed to serving your mortgage needs with the utmost professionalism, expertise, and personalized attention. Thank you again for your continued support, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you again to achieve any home ownership or residential real estate financing needs. Thank you.